In today's video, we are going to show you how to copy or duplicate a board in Milanote. Let's begin. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to go to the homepage and then locate the board that you want to copy. Now here, all I have to do is right click on it and there you have it. These are going to be your options if you want to copy or duplicate. Now, it also gives you a shortcut. You can press Ctrl plus C or Ctrl plus D if you wanted to duplicate. Now, these are going to be commands for Windows, and if you are using Mac, that's going to be Command plus C and Command plus D. Now, we are going to copy, all right, and click the paste button. It's super simple, right? And then, of course, you also have the option to duplicate. And there you have it. Now, your copied board will now appear on your dashboard. Remember, copied boards keep the entire structure, including cards, sections, notes, and layouts, which is perfect for templates, recurring projects, or maybe for brainstorming workflows. And basically, that's easy it is on how to copy or duplicate a board in Milanote. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.